What you're looking at here is my desk setup. And what I want to share with you is one of the tricks that I use to get the sound that I do. For instance, I don't worry about plosives as much for two reasons. One, I'm using a pop filter, but if you notice, my microphone is not dead center. Actually, it's right here, and it's hidden behind this pop filter, and you can kind of make out this little square there. That is the microphone I use, which is the Samsung Go mic. Now, one of the cool advantages of having my microphone off center is that I can say multiple plosives like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers or something like that, but I never worry about too much breath hitting my microphone. And even if breath were going to go that far, it would still have to hit through the pop filter. So that's one trick that I use. The other thing is I have this blanket that's kind of hanging behind here, and it kind of absorbs some of the sound. And the rule is, if you have anything in your room, think about a small pebble or a BB. If you threw that in your room, anything that it would bounce off of, that's what sound would bounce off of. So I have some cushion pretty much right behind that microphone area. Now also, I've taken my computer, and it's very far away from the microphone. Best practice would be to have it as far away as possible. I've been in some setups where the computer's not even in the same room. So the computer's here, and this is all on a desk. And even further away, there's this little area here. That is my hard drive. So I have all of my files stored there. But because the hard drive can make vibrating noises, I made sure that it is not sitting on the desk, and that way it doesn't carry over to the microphone. Last but not least, the microphone is actually sitting on a boom stand, and that boom stand is actually sitting on the floor and not connected to the desk at all. And that way, if I'm typing on the keyboard, or even if I tap on the table, like I'm tapping right now, you don't hear loud booms when we're recording. So to sum it up, we basically have our microphone that's kind of off-centered, and anything that's going to be generating noise, whether it's the computer or the hard drive, you want to have that away from the computer. And if I notice that my speakers are generating too much noise or a hum when I'm recording, I'll turn the speakers off and just simply use my headphones connected into my Go mic.